Hi students, now I am going to discuss one of the Python program to find the tax rate and the tips rate of your meals. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which is not execute in the runtime. It is called a single line command. Single line command start with the hash symbol. Next line I am going to assign the tax rate. Tax rate 5%, that means tax rate equal to TAX underscore R equal to 0.05. Next, tips rate is 18%. That is tip underscore R. For that variable, I am going to assign 0.818%. That is 818. Now I am going to calculate the meals rate. First of all, I have to read the cost of the meal. The innermost function, input function, is used to read the value from the keyboard. First of all, it will display the message, enter the cost of your meal. Then after displaying this message on the screen, cursor will automatically move to immediate next line. Then it will wait for my input. Why? Because here I am using \n. \n is a escape sequence character. It is used to move the cursor to immediate next line. Whatever value I am reading from the keyboard, it read as a string. So you should convert it into float. Outermost function is used to convert string value to float. Then it will assign to C. Tax, I am going to calculate the tax. Tax equal to C, the cost of the meal, into tax rate. Then, for example, the cost of the meal is 100 means tax rate is 5%. You may get 5 rupees tax. And the tip equal to cost of the meal is 100. Tip rate is 18 percentage. 100 into 0.18 means you may get 18 rupees. Tip equal to 18, tax equal to 5. Then you are going to calculate the total amount of that bill. T equal to cost of the meal is 100 plus a tax 5 rupees and the tips 18 rupees. Now then I am going to print the tax 5 rupees, and next line it is used to print tip 18 rupees. The total amount of the meal is 5 plus 18 23 plus 100 123. You may get the answer. Okay, 5, then it will print a tax 5 will print, tip 18 rupees will print, then total 123 it will print. Okay, fine, the program is over. How to run the program? Fi is used to run the program. The cost of the meal is 100 rupees. You may get the answer. Tax is 5 rupees. Tips 18. Total is 123. Okay, fine. Fine. Kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you press bell icon, you may get my videos immediately.